What's up, guys? Today I am really very excited to tell you about the new course that we are going to launch. The course name is Offensive Network Security, and it is I can say that this is one of the best course available on internet, which will not only teach you the basics of network security, but also tell you some of the research topic as well, which you can carry later to learn and explore and further develop your own career as an penetration tester. So this course will teach you basics till identifying the exploit, modifying the exploit, writing your own exploit, and many more stuff. So if you are someone who is actually wanted to get started into network security pen testing, then this is the course for you. So you can be a student, you can be a worker professional, you can be anybody who wanted to start their career into network penetration testing. Of course, this course is very helpful for whoever is preparing for OSCP or even PEN 200 and other such certification. Now, I have gone through some of the best learning course available on market. Like I've gone through the SAMS course, I've gone through the OSCP course, I've gone through some of the more other such course in between my journey, and I have tried to put all those learning in this particular course in a really structured manner so that you get maximum out of it and you can learn each and every concept in detail. Not only understanding the concept, but also you go about how to identify and exploit those vulnerability one by one. Again, I can proudly say that this is one of the best available because I have added all those whatever is necessary for anyone to get started into offensive network security. And not only that, we are also adding few more in between, like as a regular update. So I have tried to solve some of the system from hack the box. I have added some of the system from try hack me, vulnerable hub, offensive lab, and many more. So we are also going to add as an update, like in between I'll be solving some of the system and uploading into this particular course. As you all know that all my courses usually get an update every 3 months. So we are not only going to stop at whatever the course material that is available, but also we are going to expand or add more content into it. Right. So just by paying 499 rupees, yes, the price is just 499. So just by paying 499, you are getting access to the new world of offensive network security. Like you are going to learn each and every step how to even bypass a firewall, how to write your own MF script, how to write your own metasploit script, and many more stuff. So these courses are usually not that low price. Nobody will tell you all this stuff in a really low price. So you can basically pick this particular course and compare it with any course that is available on market. I can guarantee to tell you that this is the best course available and teach you more about offensive network security. Now I'm pretty sure that you would have got some of the idea about the course content, and I am pretty confident that you definitely would have loved to register for it. So go ahead and sign up for the course. If you like the course material, then definitely write a review. If you do not like the course, then let me know as a feedback. I will take your input as a feedback and try to improvise the course so that other students also get the maximum benefit out of it. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great time. See you soon with another video.